English conversation.
Hey, Mom and Dad, could you pass the salt, please?
Sure thing, sis. So, what did you guys do today?
Your dad and I went for a walk in the park. How about you two?
I was working on my art project for school, and he was playing video games as usual.
Hey, don't underestimate the skill it takes to conquer those games. How's the art project coming along?
It's getting there, Dad. I'm still not sure about the colors for the background, though.
Maybe you should try some cool blues or vibrant greens. They might make your subject pop.
That sounds like a good suggestion. Remember, creativity is all about experimenting.
Speaking of creativity, did I tell you guys about the new recipe I found? I'm planning to try making lasagna this weekend.
Oh, I'm definitely looking forward to that.
Me too. I'll help with the salad, Dad.
That's settled then. Lasagna and a collaborative salad it is.
By the way, have you guys decided on a movie for tonight?
Not yet. Any suggestions?
How about that new animated film everyone's been talking about?
Sounds like a plan. After dinner, we'll have a movie night.
Awesome! I'll get the snacks ready.
You know, I've been thinking about trying to cook something new myself.
Really? That's cool. What were you thinking of making?
Maybe a stir fry? I saw a recipe online that looked pretty easy and delicious.
Stir fries are great. You can use whatever veggies and protein you like.
And the best part is you can experiment with different sauces to change up the flavors.
Speaking of flavors, have you guys ever tried that new bakery downtown? They have the most amazing pastries.
Oh, yes. We went there last weekend. The croissants were to die for.
Croissants are good, but have you tried their macarons? They practically melt in your mouth.
You kids are making me hungry, but I have to admit I've been craving some good old-fashioned comfort food lately.
Like what, Dad?
Well, how about some classic chicken pot pie? It's been ages since we had that.
That's a great idea. I'll make a note to add it to next week's menu.
And speaking of notes, Mom, can you teach me how to make your famous chocolate chip cookies this weekend?
Of course, sweetheart. Baking cookies together will be a lot of fun.
Count me in for taste testing duty.
Laughter fills the air as they continue to share their thoughts and excitement about various dishes and treats.
I've been thinking about adding some flowers to our backyard. It would really brighten up the space.
Flowers sound nice, but have you considered a deck? We could have a great outdoor area to relax and entertain.
A deck does sound appealing, but I love the idea of having a colorful garden. Imagine all the different blooms.
Why not compromise? You could have flower beds around the deck, and that way, you get the best of both worlds.
Yeah, and we could even add some potted plants on the deck itself to bring in the garden feel.
That's an interesting thought. A combination of both could work well.
I do like that idea. It would be lovely to sit on the deck surrounded by flowers.
And we could have a small barbecue area on the deck for summer cookouts.
Plus, we could hang string lights around the deck to create a cozy atmosphere in the evenings.
All right, it's settled then. We'll plan for a deck with flower beds and all those extra touches.
That sounds like the perfect compromise. I'm excited to see how it turns out.
The family's creative brainstorming leads to a solution that satisfies everyone's desires for a beautiful outdoor space.